So now we're going to be making our abstract portrait very, very colorful. We're going to be using metallic colors, and you have a water basin and you have your brush. To start, you want to get your brush wet so that you can activate your paints. Be sure that you don't mix any of these colors on here. You want to rinse your brush before you dip. Now, when we're ready to pick a new color to start with, we're going to just tickle it 4 or 5 times till it gets activated, and you can see when it's activated. I'm going to pick some spaces, and we're just going to start brushing it in. Now, I don't want to just use purple once and then switch, because that's going to take me a lot of time. I want to use purple in several different spaces before I go to my next color. Now, I don't have to fill in every space. Maybe in the face, I want some purple on this part, but not the whole thing. So I'm going to rinse my brush, pick a new color, and I can just blend my last color with my new color. If you're not seeing your color very well, just go back and tickle, tickle, tickle it to get some more activation. And we're going to keep going until our whole portrait is really very colorful and filled in.